All right, we got the rule. Log base B of A, right, plus log base B of C is equal to log base B of AC. In other words, you just multiply. Okay? So, when you add exponents, then you're really multiplying, okay, the numbers of the logs. That's it. That's it. So, when we're doing this, it's just log of 2 times 5. Which is log of 10. Now remember, this has a base of 10. There's no base here, right? So if we wanted to, a base of 10 of 10, we should know that that's 1. But that's not what they're looking for right now. They just want you to come up with this. Okay? This one, tell me what it is. Do they have the same base? Can't they? Okay. As long as they have the same bases, then we multiply the numbers, right? So 4 times 16. Come on, people. 4 cubed. We talked about this number last week.
34.
No. Close. What did you say?
169.
No. Right? 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. 2 to the 6th power. Okay? They're going to use this number a lot. 125. 5 cubed. Okay? So, you know, you're just going to see 27, 64s, you know, a lot of 81s, you know, a lot of these numbers you're going to see over and over and over. 343, what else? Is it 434? Maybe. Just all, you know, you're going to see certain numbers over and over. 625, you know, over and over and over. 256, 128. Just get to you know, get to use them up here. All right, what are we going to do with this? We did it. So what do we do with this? Do they have the same base?
Yes.
Yeah. So what do we do? That's it. Just multiply the tops. Okay? So in this case, we've got 25, carry the 2. We got 10, that's 12, carry the 1. That's 5 plus 1 is 6, right? And then 5 times 3 is 15. So we got log 2.5 of 15.625. Okay? That's all they're looking for. Simple. Okay. We record? Yeah? Battery's dying already? Alright. Do this and then change the battery so that you get caught up. Alright. Well, if we multiply when we add, what do we do when we subtract? That's it. Simple. So, log base B of A subtracts log base B of C. It's equal to log base B of A over C. This over that. Okay? It's the hardest thing to remember. When I was a kid, that was the hardest thing for me to remember. Which one went on top? Okay? So, the one on the left typically ends up on top. Okay? So, these are log base 10, right? So it's really 1,000 divided by 100. Log of 1,000 divided by 100 is log of what? 10, yeah. And log of 10, we should know equals 1. That's not what they're looking for. Just, if you get used to it, man, I would...
How do you do this? Can
base b of b is equal to 1. These two numbers have to be the same. So, log base 2 of 2 equals 1. But you don't want to change this guy, because then it would be log 16. But I'll guarantee you they're going to give you something like this. Log base 2 of 16, right, minus 1 is equal to 0 or something like that. And then they want you to solve it. What are you going to do there is you're going to change this to log base 2 of 2, right? And the reason you do that is so you can get it into one thing. Okay? So, I mean, I could move the one. I could do that too, you know. But this would be 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So log base 2 of 8, right? And then 2 to what power is 8?
2.
Right? 2 to the third power. Third, right? I couldn't put out that number 3. So third power. 2 to the third power, right? 2 to the third power is 8, right? And so that's what would happen here is you would try to solve, in this case, they'd have to have a variable in here, sorry about that. They'd probably have, instead of this, they'd maybe have this, but I would think that if they had 0, then they would turn this into x, something like that. And then what you would do is you'd have log of 2, or no, sorry, x divided by 2, right, base 2 is equal to 0. And then you would say, okay, change that into an exponent. So you'd have 2 to the 0 is equal to x over 2. And you're going, oh, that's 1, right? So then you'd be like, okay, that's 1 is equal to x over 2. So then I multiply by 2, and I get 2 is equal to x. Sorry. That's kind of where we're going. That's what we're going to be doing, right? At the end of all this, on your test. That's the fun stuff, right? I know I go fast when it's fun, right? Don't we all? Right? So, but for right now, slow it down. All they want. That's it. That's it. Keep it simple. That's all they want. They just want you to be able to go, okay, 16 divided by 2. 8. Alright? So this one, when I wrote it, I was like, oh man, well this isn't even an even number, so that's going to be fun, right? So I'm like, okay, 2 goes into 6 3 times, right? And 2 goes into 7, well, 3 times with 1 left over. 2 goes into 15, 7 times with 1 left over, and then 2 goes into 10, 5. And so that's what you end up with. Right? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.